Now in this question, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, pi means 180 degree, then we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so starting with the left hand side, cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2, taking this in one bracket, minus cos square c by 2. Now this becomes 1 plus cos a by 2 plus 1 plus cos b by 2 negative of cos square c by 2. Now which formula we have used? Cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta upon 2. Okay. Now half plus half cos a plus cos b minus cos square c by 2. One plus half. Now half plus half becomes 1, then half, and here we are going to use cos c plus cos t. Okay, so cos a plus b, this becomes 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus 1 minus sin square c by 2. Okay. So now what we have done, what we have used cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. One thing, and cos square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus sin square c by 2. Okay. Now this becomes 1 plus cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 negative of 1 plus sin square c by 2. One plus cos pi minus c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 negative of 1 plus sin square c by 2. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. A plus b is equal to pi minus c. Negative of cos, or we can write it, first of all this one and this one cancels. Okay, so to now this, what we can write it, we can write it cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 with cos a minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Now this is equal to, now cos pi by 2 minus c by 2 is what? Sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin c by 2 common, cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin pi minus a plus b by 2. Now to this c, a plus b plus c is equal to pi, c is equal to pi minus a plus b. Sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Now sin plus sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. Okay. Now to this we can write it sin c by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Now sin pi by 2 minus theta is again cos theta. Okay. So this becomes plus cos a plus b by 2. Is equal to cos theta. Sin c by 2 2 cos a minus b plus a plus b by 4 cos a minus b minus a minus b by 4. Okay, again we are using same cos c plus cos d formula here. Cos c plus cos d. Okay. So now this becomes twice of sin c by 2 cos. Now here b and b cancels, cos a by 2 cos minus b by 2. Now this is equal to twice of sin c by 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Cos theta. Twice of cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2 is equal to right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.